Hey there, I'm Christina Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making my vegan pasta bolognese. I love making this because it literally takes me 30 minutes from beginning to end. I've got my vegan meat. These are sausage links. I love it. They're like a spicy Italian flavor vegan meat, okay? So there you go. Here's all your ingredients and we're gonna get going right now. Let's go. I've got two pans here. I've got my two pans. So one pan I'm gonna do the sauce, the other pan I'm going to saute and break apart my plant meat, okay? Put the heat to like a medium, and then we're just gonna start with our olive oil, all right? So you wanna give it a nice pour around the edges and into the center, okay? I do about 3 or 4 pinches of salt. That's 2 pinches of pepper. I'm gonna put my oregano in, cayenne, and the garlic. And that's just gonna heat up for a second. Now this is the pan for the veggie sausage, so you're gonna put some oil on the bottom, a bit of garlic, the pepper, just add 1 pinch of Himalayan sea salt and 1 little bit of pepper. Okay, once you get a light simmer on the pasta sauce pan, you just wanna mix around the herbs and spices. And you're gonna throw in your onions first. Just saute them for about 2 minutes. Carrots and your celery. And give that about 2 minutes. Your pan for your sausage is heated up. Throw your sausage links in the bottom. Super important now, lower the heat on my vegetables. Give them a nice mix, lower the heat on that. And then get over here. Now this is at like a medium-high heat. Just break them apart because this is going to turn into the meat for your bolognese sauce. Your veggies have sauteed for about 2 minutes. All together, we're gonna add in the zucchini. Here we go. Zucchini's going in. I love it. Super important, don't overcook your veggies in this, okay? You want a little bit of a bite to them. You don't want them mushy. I'm gonna go back to this, just gonna break it apart. This is why I have 2 pans side by side. So one way you can tell that your ground up veggie meat or your veggie sausage is done. So my indicator is just the brown bits on the sides, just like when you're cooking meat in a pan, okay? So this is now pretty much ready. I'm gonna check my vegetables. They're looking good. I think this is nice. Then I'm gonna put the meat into the vegetable mixture, and then we've got really the base of our bolognese. We are ready to add the peas. And the next I'm gonna add tomato sauce. So we're gonna let that simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, so another ingredient in your bolognese pasta is milk, traditional Italian bolognese. They do use milk. I'm gonna use just soy milk, regular soy milk. Don't use vanilla. You can use any plant-based milk you want. I'm gonna put it in my frother. I'm gonna froth it, and then we're gonna pour it into the pasta mixture. Because it's really hot, I wanna add a hot milk to a hot pasta sauce. Otherwise, you're gonna have like a separating, ugly looking thing. Pasta sauce is all mixed together. You've got all your vegetables, got your veggie meat, plant-based milk, wine or vodka, or you don't have to do any of that. You just wanna let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Your noodles in, and give them a stir. I don't really care that I use my pasta spoon. I'm not worried, it's all going in the same place. Give them a stir so they don't clump up. And then you want them to boil al dente. So I will do these noodles for probably 7 minutes at the most.
Healthy vegan pasta bolognese. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Have a healthy day.